What is up, guys? I'm standing behind my shed right now, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of an update of what the outside of it is looking like. So there's some cute little plants that we bought the other day, and I'll show you a little bit more of those and some other plants that we got. But I just wanted to give you an update on what the final outside of it is looking like, because we're finally done painting it and everything like that. So I'll take you around and show you guys the front. So this is the back currently, and there's a little bit of dirt up top, so don't mind that. And we just got these cute 3 plants that are gonna bloom white in the springtime, and we're hoping to put a magnolia tree somewhere like right here, and it's gonna be really tall and beautiful and just make the back of this look so much prettier. So then if we walk around, this is the side that you can see from the street. So my plan is to put a big ivy wall right here. I want it to start growing here and go up the side of the wall like on a trellis. So I'm currently looking for a good type of ivy that'll do that. I haven't found one that I'm totally in love with yet, so we'll see about that. And then this is the side that faces our driveway. So I'm hoping to get some kind of shorter straight plants to go along the bottom here, and they can't stick out very far into our driveway because we want to have this space to be able to park. So that's what the side is going to look like, and we still have the Christmas lights up, so don't mind those. And then if we come around here to the front, there's currently a car parked right here, but usually there's not. And this is what the front looks like. It is so adorable. And eventually it's gonna have a porch. So there will be a porch that goes all the way along the bottom here. It's gonna be a cedar porch with a couple of cedar posts right here by the door and a little awning above the door. That's all gonna be cedar, and it's gonna match the roof. But I'm loving how the front of it is looking. I love the white door with the black door handle. And then if you come over here, these are 2 of the plants that I got the other day too, and I love them. I have no clue what they are, but they're tall and they're straight and they're just green and they look kind of tropical, and that's the vibe that I'm going for out here. So I really love these. I don't know if they're gonna stay right there because eventually I might want to put a hammock here, but I really like them and can't wait to find a place to put them. So that's a look at the outside of the she shed, still with the Christmas lights on. But I really love how it turned out. I can't believe we did all of this by ourselves, and we just have this little step here so that we can get in easily until the porch is done. But the porch is not really my priority right now. The priority is more the inside and finishing the wallpaper and the walls and everything like that. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at the outside as an intro to this video, because I know I showed you a lot of the progress of us building it, but I never really showed it once it was done. But if you follow me on Instagram at Home and Roam, I do post pictures of the outside of it and the inside there. So be sure to follow me there.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you.